Georgia, northern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. At 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain occurring over the Atlanta metropolitan area. Between 1.5 and 3.0 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warm area. The city has issued a flash warning caused by thunderstorms in north-central Georgia, northern Clayton County in north-central Georgia, Cobb County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, central Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. 2:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain occurring over the Atlanta metropolitan area. Between 1.5 and 3.0 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and overpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Lawrenceville, Kenton, Decatur, Jonesboro, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, East Point, Milton, Kennesaw, Duluth, Woodstock, Cliff, and Forest Park. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.